Huge 6.1 earthquake hits Iran and Iraq. USGS reports the epicenter is 31 kilometers, 19 miles, west of the city of Javanrud. Reports confirm the shake was also felt in Kurdistan. Houshang Bazvand, the governor of Kermanshah, told state news agency INA that at least 90 people have been injured. The quake caused light damage to infrastructure. Last year a 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck in the province of Javanrud, near the border with Iraq. It killed at least 530 people and injured thousands. It was recorded as Iran's deadliest earthquake in more than a decade. A magnitude 6 quake is categorized as a strong earthquake. According to the Richter scale, the effects may include damage to a moderate number of well-built structures in populated areas and severe damage to poorly designed structures. Magnitude 6 earthquakes are felt in wider areas, up to hundreds of kilometers from the epicenter. The quake was originally reported to be 6.2, but it was later downgraded to a 6.1 magnitude earthquake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.